Did you eat out last weekend?
Yes, I went to a new Italian restaurant. No, I cooked at home.
Did you ever try really spicy food?
Yes, I tried super spicy noodles once. No, I don't like spicy food.
Did you ever eat too much at a buffet?
Yes, I ate so much that I couldn't move. No, I always eat a normal amount.
Did you ever bake a cake?
Yes, I baked a chocolate cake for my birthday. No, but I want to try.
Did you enjoy the weather yesterday?
Yes, it was sunny and warm. No, it was too cold for me.
Did it snow in your city last winter?
Yes, it snowed a lot. No, we never get snow here.
Did you ever get caught in a heavy rainstorm?
Yes, I got completely soaked. No, I always check the weather forecast.
Did you ever see a rainbow?
Yes, I saw a beautiful one last week. No, but I hope to see one soon.
Did you have a job last summer?
Yes, I worked at a cafe. No, I took a break.
Did you ever have a really difficult boss?
Yes, my first boss was very strict. No, I was lucky to have nice bosses.
Did you ever quit a job?
Yes, I left my last job for a better one. No, I always kept my jobs.
Did you ever work on a big project?
Yes, I helped organize a big event. No, my work was always simple.
Did you exercise last week?
Yes, I went jogging twice. No, I was too lazy.
Did you ever try yoga?
Yes, I did yoga for a month. No, but I want to try it.
Did you ever break a bone?
Yes, I broke my arm when I was a kid. No, I never had a serious injury.
Did you ever stay in a hospital?
Yes, when I had surgery. No, I never had to stay overnight.
Did you post anything on social media yesterday?
Yes, I shared a photo from my trip. No, I don't post often.
Did you ever delete a social media account?
Yes, I deleted my Facebook account. No, I still use all my accounts.
Did you ever watch a funny video online?
Yes, I laughed so much at a cat video. No, I don't watch funny videos often.
Did you ever meet someone online?
Yes, I met a good friend through a game. No, I only meet people in real life.
Did you ever have a crush on someone in school?
Yes, I liked my classmate in 8th grade. No, I didn't think about that in school.
Did you ever go on a really bad date?
Yes, it was so awkward. No, my dates were always okay.
Did you ever write a love letter?
Yes, but I never sent it. No, I only sent text messages.
Did you ever forget an anniversary?
Yes, and my partner was really mad. No, I always remember special dates.
Did you listen to a new song this week?
Yes, I discovered a great new band. No, I only listen to old songs.
Did you ever learn how to paint?
Yes, I took an art class once. No, I'm not good at drawing.
Did you ever write a poem or a song?
Yes, I wrote a short poem once. No, I never tried writing poetry.
Did you ever play chess?
Yes, but I'm not very good at it. No, I never learned the rules.
Did you ever get locked out of your house?
Yes, I forgot my keys once. No, I always have my keys.
Did you ever see a famous person?
Yes, I saw a celebrity at the airport. No, I never met anyone famous.
Did you ever miss an important event?
Yes, I missed a wedding because of work. No, I always go to important events.
Did you ever get lost in a new city?
Yes, but I found my way back quickly. No, I always use maps.
Did you ever dream about becoming famous?
Yes, when I was a child. No, I never wanted to be famous.
Did you ever want to move to another country?
Yes, I thought about moving to Canada. No, I love my home country.
Did you ever plan a big trip but cancel it?
Yes, I had to cancel my trip because of work. No, I always go on my planned trips.
Did you ever try learning a new language?
Yes, I started learning French. No, but I want to try someday.
Did you ever learn something the hard way?
Yes, I learned to always check my wallet before leaving. No, I usually learn from others' mistakes.
Did you ever trust someone too quickly?
Yes, and I regretted it later. No, I am always careful.
Did you ever say something you regretted?
Yes, I once said something mean by accident. No, I always think before I speak.
Did you ever take a risk that paid off?
Yes, I changed jobs, and it was the best decision. No, I always play it safe.
Did you enjoy school when you were younger?
Yes, I love learning new things. No, I found it boring sometimes.
Did you ever fall asleep in class?
Yes, during a history lesson once. No, I always stayed awake.
Did you ever fail a test?
Yes, I failed my math test once. No, I always pass my exams.
Did you ever have a favorite teacher?
Yes, my English teacher was amazing. No, I didn't like any of them much.
Did you celebrate your birthday last year?
Yes, I had a big party with my friends. No, I just stayed home.
Did you ever make a New Year's resolution?
Yes, but I didn't keep it. No, I don't believe in them.
Did you ever dress up for Halloween?
Yes, I dressed as a vampire once. No, we don't celebrate Halloween here.
Did you ever receive a really great gift?
Yes, my parents gave me a new phone. No, but I hope to get one soon.
Did you spend time with your family last weekend?
Yes, we had dinner together. No, I was too busy.
Did you ever have a pet?
Yes, I had a dog when I was a child. No, I never had any pets.
Did you ever move to a new house?
Yes, we moved when I was 10. No, I lived in the same place all my life.
Did you ever cook for your whole family?
Yes, I made pasta for everyone. No, I never cooked for more than 2 people.
Did you watch a movie last night?
Yes, I watched a comedy. No, I was too tired.
Did you ever watch a movie that made you cry?
Yes, Titanic made me cry. No, I don't cry during movies.
Did you ever watch a horror movie alone?
Yes, and I couldn't sleep after that. No, I don't like scary movies.
Did you ever binge watch a TV series?
Yes, I watched a whole season in one weekend. No, I don't like watching too much TV.
Did you play a lot outside when you were a child?
Yes, I played in the park every day. No, I preferred staying inside.
Did you ever get lost as a child?
Yes, I got lost in a supermarket once. No, I always stayed close to my parents.
Did you ever have an imaginary friend?
Yes, I had one when I was 5. No, I never needed one.
Did you ever build something cool as a child?
Yes, I built a treehouse with my dad. No, I wasn't very creative.
Did you buy anything expensive last month?
Yes, I bought a new phone. No, I tried to save money.
Did you ever lose your wallet?
Yes, but someone returned it. No, I always keep it safe.
Did you ever find money on the ground?
Yes, I found $10 once. No, I never found any money.
Did you ever regret buying something?
Yes, I bought a jacket I never wore. No, I always think before I buy.
Did you travel anywhere new last year?
Yes, I went to Spain for the first time. No, I stayed in my country.
Did you ever get lost in another country?
Yes, I got lost in Paris once. No, I always plan my trips well.
Did you ever try street food in another country?
Yes, I tried amazing street food in Thailand. No, I was afraid to try it.
Did you ever miss a flight or train?
Yes, I missed my flight once, and it was terrible. No, I always arrive on time.
Did you start a new hobby last year?
Yes, I started learning the guitar. No, I didn't have time for hobbies.
Did you ever read a book in one day?
Yes, I read Harry Potter in one day. No, I like reading slowly.
Did you ever try knitting or sewing?
Yes, I made a scarf once. No, I never tried that.
Did you ever grow a plant or a garden?
Yes, I grew tomatoes last summer. No, I'm not good with plants.
Did you ever see something really weird?
Yes, I saw a dog wearing sunglasses. No, I don't notice weird things.
Did you ever get locked in a room by accident?
Yes, I got stuck in a bathroom once. No, that never happened to me.
Did you ever hear a ghost story that scared you?
Yes, my grandmother told me a scary story. No, I don't believe in ghosts.
Did you ever say something embarrassing in public?
Yes, I accidentally called my teacher mom. No, I always think before I speak.
Did you ever make a big life decision?
Yes, I changed my career last year. No, I haven't made any big decisions yet.
Did you ever try to change your daily routine?
Yes, I tried waking up at 5 a.m. No, I like my routine the way it is.
Did you ever learn an important life lesson?
Yes, I learned that patience is very important. No, but I'm still learning.
Did you ever do something you were really proud of?
Yes, I finished my first marathon. No, but I hope to do something great soon.